Once again, I'm Hudson, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the Hina Warrior in Keiko armor. Personally, I will just add, this is one of my favorite artworks due to its small size and general look of the figure. First, we are going to go over general information about the figure. First of all, it was one of many. As you can see in this little lock down here, this was a tomb for Emperor Nintogu. And this specific artwork had many similar replicas of it scattered around the entire tomb. This was used as a way to take them into the afterlife for protection, very similar to the Terracotta Warriors, which we will touch on later. This specific figure was made in the 5th to mid-6th century. They were made using low-fired clay and a method that we will talk about later, and they are from Osaka, Japan. First, we're going to talk about the methods used to create this figure. The first part of this technique was taking Hanawa clay, which was clay that had been turned into cylinders or circles, and then using the Wazumi technique in order to get the final form of the figure. You can see this somewhat in a few of the features inside of this piece, such as the cylinder legs, as well as some of the blockier parts of the figure. In our next section, we're going to be comparing the Hinawa Warriors and the Terracotta Warriors. For similarities, both of them were used in tombs. These type of figures were thought to go into the afterlife with the deceased and could be used in the afterlife. Along with this, both of them depict warriors. On the contrary, the size difference between these figures is somewhat noticeable, with the Hinawa Warriors being around 4'3", and the Terracotta Warriors being closer to 6 feet tall. Along with this, their medium is vastly different. This can be seen in both the ways they were created and the material they were made of. With the Terracotta Warrior, we see a terracotta sculpting technique that was used numerous times and produced very similar figures. However, with the Hinawa Warrior, with them being made of clay that is molded, they are vastly different between one another. Once again, thank you for listening to me ramble about one of my favorite artworks. I hope you have a great rest of your day.